So we have a question here about do you think seafarers are taking a proactive approach for decarbonisation on board? I suppose, how could they, in a sense? I guess it depends on if they're not on an active vessel at the time. But is there anything in the study that sort of...
Certainly, I emphasise that positivity they had towards the decarbonisation agenda, and they're glad to be part of it. But I think for them to take a proactive approach, of course, that's got to be encouraged. So this comes back to the leadership culture issue, because if officers are not talking to them about it and they don't engage with them in that process, where's the incentive to be proactive?
You want to come in?
Yes, I would like to come in. I have an example, actually. I don't know if you are familiar with the EPI, the Environmental Port Index. It's a lot of Norwegian ports that actually have that, and that it measures actually how much emissions you have when you are on port, and if you emit less, then you get a lower fee while on port. And what is very interesting, that we can actually now from the database see the same ship at the same port at the same time of the year have different emissions. So that depends on how you actually are operating the vessel while in port. So I think in some crew, they are very focusing on this, and some crews are not.